All right. All right, we're good. We're good. We're good. We are good. How are you guys? Welcome back to another day trading with the team. Let's edit. So, haven't taken a trade just yet. I did take a very aggressive gold short on this 150K account. Currently in a drawdown. Possibly we'll be taking some gold shorts if I see something in the vicinity of this. All right, has to go here. So first of all, let me share what I saw here. I'm gonna open up my squawk. Hold on, hold on. So live squawk. I'm gonna be live for my entire duration of my session. Hola, señora. My dog is here. All right, so here's what I saw. Very aggressive entry. First one, probably will get stuck out. Now, I was playing this buy side liquidity versus sell side liquidity, right? Um, Buy side liquidity here versus sell side liquidity. I had a buy side liquidity towards my imbalance. Stop loss is above the structure high. That was very aggressive on my side, which is fine for the. Remember that this account, I already hit the 9K target. 9K target, but yeah, they asked me a little bit more, like 4K more. So I'm gonna make it a very aggressive trading here because I have a 9K buffer. Now that we have liquidated those highs, perhaps what we can do is just expect the market structure shifts here. That would be cool, right here. A market structure shift. Where are you? A very good market structure shift here after the last liquidation of the highs. That would be cool. On gold. Now, S&P 500. Now, very choppy session for the euro and the USD. Choppy as fuck. Just have a look at this. Untradeable. Oh boy. And the Japanese yen open higher. The Japanese yen with a very big gap up. Nothing else to do here. Let's have a look at the British pound. Same thing, very choppy. All choppiness all around. S&P 500. Um, and the Nasdaq. We will see what happens with the Nasdaq. Now, on the Nasdaq side, we do have a very nice kind of a double bottom, which in ICT terminology is sell side liquidity. So, let's see if we can liquidate those lows to get involved long. Now, perhaps what we should be looking at is this liquidation of the lows. Hey, let's have a look at gold. About to create that market structure shift, so I'm going to get involved maybe. Heads up to gold here. Right there. Now, I want to keep this gold chart on the left side because this is what I am looking to fucking trade. All right. So Nasdaq kind of hot, kind of hot, kind of hot, kind of hot. So what we need to possibly look for is the liquidation of the lows, creating market structure shift, etc. Now, The S&P 500, well, the S&P 500, same thing. Even though, so possibly we'll be trading the NQ and the ES, right? The ES. So we have a very strong tropical storm here in El Salvador. That's what you hear on the background, that noise. I can't leave my home, and my internet might be a little bit laggy. All right. Heads up for that structure shift in gold. Right there. Pretty easy stuff. If we break with the lows right there, we're breaking with the lows. Now we're going to come back to gold right now. We're about to break with the lows, and we got that beautiful, possible beautiful here. There you go. But what? Right there. I'm gonna add some sell here. I'm gonna sell here at sell limit 2. Yes. All right. So sell limit at 23.39 for the VIPs. $23.39 with a
order filled.
Oh shit! Sell at market. Right, sell at market. I am short two contracts. Hola. I am short 2 contracts of gold here and here. I'm gonna place the buy stops at the high of the move. So my buy stops are going to be placed here at the 23.41.5. Buy stops there. So that's my stop loss placement, right? And I am going to target this liquidity low. So I'm gonna target this 23.31.6. That's a cool target. Why did I bought 2 contracts here? I don't know what the fuck happened. This should be a short. All right, I'm gonna flip this. Yeah, that was some crazy shit there. I don't know what happened there. Well, I'm up here on this trade. Good luck, everybody. All right. Yeah, we good. Stop loss in gold short are 23.41.5. 23.41.5. Yes. TP is TP is 23.31.5. Yeah, 23. I'm gonna place it at 23.31. Let's have a look. Oh, espérate, puta. 23.31, 23.32. It's okay. Buy limit 23.32. So 23.32. There you go. Now we wait. Hey, hello, how are you? Ayaza. So this was just sent to the VIPs. Uh-huh. Good, good, good. Short two full gold contracts. So I'm 25% of the way there to my 20K profit target on this account. So that's cool. Hey, ya estuvo. Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. Don't go anywhere. All right. So the metal that women love, women and men. I don't know. So this is good. We are good here. Short gold. And here's the S&P 500. Waiting for the open on. Well, the market just opened. The market just opened. This is going to be quite volatile though. So heads up to that. Now, NQ 1 minute. Oh boy. All right, so NQ 5 minutes. Let's see what happens here on the NQ side, on the Nasdaq side. I'm leaning towards the short side in this particular market, both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq, right? I'm leaning towards the short side, guys. So let's wait and see what happens. Uh-huh. I'm still short gold. It's okay. There you go.
Player refreshed.
Oh. All right, so possibly. No, then yeah. Possibly we take my first loss here of the week, only my first trade of the week, which is okay, my man. All right. Here's that liquidation of the lows. We had here sell side liquidity. Boom. Shorts in play on the NASDAQ. Shorts in play. Let's see what happens actually. Whoa, look, have a look at this gold shorts rocking. This is amazing, guys. Very, very strong. Fat finger short here, gold. Now let's wait and see what happens here on NASDAQ 5 1 minute chart. We just liquidated those lows. Perhaps we can get a market structure shift to the upside. That would be cool. Let's wait and see what happens. Now, focusing on these gold shorts, this looks good. Very good stop loss positioning. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Uh-huh. I'm gonna move to a 5-minute chart here. We're gonna wait and see what happens here. Now I could get into these aggressive longs on the Nasdaq. I could, but I won't.
Over in Russia, Putin dismisses 4 deputy Russian defense ministers.
All right. Yes. All right. Possible creation of an imbalance here on NQ. Let's wait. After this 1-minute candle closes. So that 1-minute candle closed. Nicely, we got that imbalance. Here, we could target this buy-side liquidity very easily. Like this. That's a 3R. And let's see. It's a 1 unit. I'm gonna take this 1 unit on the sales on the buy side on the NQ. Same thing here. Buy limit and sell limit here. Sell stop, I'm sorry. There, I have my NQs. Gold, still struggling with those shorts. I mean, not struggling, but still holding those shorts on gold. Looking forward for this possible long on the Nasdaq. Yeah. Let's see if we can get filled, and let's see if gold can liquidate these lows. Finally liquidate these lows. Possibly just I mean, if gold, all right, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. If gold struggles to liquidate these lows, I'm gonna close that very small win. Yeah, I just don't like it, but there you go. Gold liquidated the lows, we good. I think I might just take that small winning gold. Now there you go. That's the move. That's the moving gold. That's the moving gold. Good moving gold. We are looking good here. I'm gonna move my stops to break even in gold now. After the break of these lows. There you go, moving my stops to break even in gold. Doing the same here. Yep. There you go. I am going to take my profits now. Buy at market. Buy.
Order filled.
Order filled. There you go. There you go. Good trade, guys. Good trade. There you go. Good trade. Good trade. No, we just sold gold. We sold gold. I'm up $100 today. And yeah, the reason that I sold gold here, you know what? I'm gonna do. I'm gonna create a short video explaining what I did here. Now I have this NQ long, possible longs on NQ, guys. Very nice setup. I'm gonna send this to my VIPs too. All right. NASDAQ. So NASDAQ should be, I don't know, US 100. I'm not gonna send this to my VIPs because of the NASDAQ. But I'm gonna share this with you. So pretty nice setup here, pretty nice winning gold. The reason that I took my
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm long NASDAQ now. Long NASDAQ now. On both accounts. Possibly will be taken out. I don't know if I will or not, but I am most definitely long the NASDAQ. ¿Qué pasa? I'm gonna get myself a cup of coffee, guys. I'll be right back. And gold kept on, moving down, but that's okay. I took my profits where I had planned taking my profits, so that's okay. And right now I'm long the NASDAQ. My stop loss is 1961. 1961. My TP is at. I haven't placed my TP. My TP is here. There you go. That's the trade. I'm gonna go get myself a cup of coffee. I'm gonna leave you here with this trade. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. Be right back.
Stop field. Stop field.
All right. All right. So stop losses got filled. That's fine. Let's move on. Now.
Russian embassy to Denmark say any restrictions on ships passing through Danish straits would be unacceptable.
Oof. Big red. All right. Don't go anywhere. I left my creamer downstairs, so don't go anywhere. I'm back. Sorry about that, guys. Now, I'm gonna take these longs again. I'm gonna try to take these longs again here. This order block. Uh, 19, what, buy limit, 19, what was it? 19902. Yeah, I'm gonna use micro contracts this time. My risk should be mitigated. Olympio is not longer with us. I mean, he didn't die. He doesn't work with the company anymore, man. See, 19.6, 30, 19.6, 38, 19.6, 38. So I'm gonna take 8 micros here, boom. 8 micros, and Q here. So that's my loss earlier. I'm gonna retake those longs again here, but I'm going to use NMQ micro contracts, M and Q, M, yeah. Here I'm gonna take 10, so that's 80. Buy limit, boom, and my stop losses below the lows here. So let's see what the chat has to say while I wasn't here. It was gold futures. Gold price wasn't at, super confusing, bro. Price never got to that level. I'm trading gold futures, man. If I say buy at market, then just buy or sell, man. Yeah, we are. Actually, I am. All right, I'm gonna open up this particular. I'm gonna open up this. All right, I'm gonna open up this. So NQ, right? Let's trade NQ. So that's the Nasdaq. Toolbox. No. Market watch. Nasdaq. So if it's the Nasdaq, I want to enter here, right? So that'll be, we're gonna test this. 19,683. All right. Now, so that's NAS 100. I'm gonna do this when I can. When I don't have the time to do this, I won't. So that's buy limit. It's 19 what? 19. I said 19,683. 19,683. Stop loss. 19,652. 19,652. 19,652. 19,652. Let's see. Let's see about this. Trading buy limit. I don't know. 63 and 19 what? So that's A1. 12. All right, fuck. So pending order should be what? 10. Yeah, that's fine. So that's what I'm gonna send. That's my trade. So let's see MGCQ. I know gold has its weird property of going down quickly. And coming back up slowly. Hold on, let me get rid of this coffee thing. um, got the same question. Yes, we are trading in FX. I mean, you trade. We're trading the same market. We're trading gold, right? I'm gonna do my best to send you the CFD pricing on gold. So we are about to take this Nasdaq, guys. This Nasdaq long, and I am about to 50-minute chart. There you go. Here's that target, 1960. 19, what? Hold on. It's a 19761. All right, so this is a 1 to 2.1, 1 to 2.2 or so. Rest of wall ratio. Oh, this is good. Now we got that market structure shift, looking towards that imbalance, that imbalance field, and mitigation of that order block to get in on my longs, and sending this to the VIPs. TP is 19761 for a 2.25 R or so, risking, I don't know, 0.30% or so. I don't remember. On this account, you should risk whatever you want, right? I'm gonna stop sending risk. There you go. You should risk whatever the fuck you want. All right. So looking for that gold shorts. We took profits around this level, so that's a good thing, right? Yeah, I'm gonna create the video, the gold short video. So remove drawings. Oh shite. And I want my trade history here. Only the A. Yeah. Nope. Price, fields and orders. No. Fields and orders. I want history, price level. I don't know. I'll do it here. Remove drawings. The reason that I can't do it here is because if you remember, I had executions. I had a couple of executions here. Well, that's fine. I'll do it here. The 1 minute chart. If you remember, short. I'll do that later. Let's see if we can get filled long here on the S&P 500, on the Nasdaq, and let's have a look at the S&P 500 for another setup, possible setup. See, 5 liquidation of the lows here. So we got a liquidation of the lows here. We got a market structure shift now. So possibly pull back towards what area? This entire zone looks phenomenal. So my entire point of interest here should be this on the S&P 500. Now I don't know which one is better. I think that the S&P 500 is a much better setup than the Nasdaq. But the Nasdaq has this big ass imbalance here. So I don't want to take an entry at the imbalance. So here's the dealio. We do have an IFEG here. So here we have a big inverted imbalance or inverted fair value gap. Huh. Here's that IFPG. So that's this is a great spot to enter long, but I do want to get here. This is going to be my entry long on the Nasdaq. If I don't get triggered here, then I am done trading for the day, guys. With that win on gold, and that's for the VAPs. And I also lost one contract long on the Nasdaq. So I'm still up for the day marginally, but that's good. So let's see which one of the two yields a better setup. I'm actually going to split. Yeah, the S&P 500 is the much better setup. So we are most definitely going to change our. I'm gonna delete my Nasdaqs and I'm gonna go S&P 500. Yep, most def. All right, so deleting Nasdaqs. Deleting Nasdaqs and going S&P 500, guys. Going S&P 500. I am entering right there. Let's see about this create new order. Hold on. So stop loss 54.89. 54.89. That's all right. 89. So 300 with one contract. That's okay. Okay, risk. And targets here at 59. So that's a sell limit. There you go. That's the trade. About a 1-to-1. I don't know. But trading the ES here with two contracts on my 300K accounts. There. So that's 16 contracts only. Buy limit. And buy stop, sell stop, boom. So let's see if I'm able to send this to the VIPs for fuck's sakes. Now, here is where I do want to get in. Uh-huh. 54.25. 54.25 what? 54.26, I'm sorry. 54.26. Alright, so buy. That's a buy limit. 54.26. All right, so this is a what? $600. That's fine. 0.5 risk, and yeah. 54 what? Should be liquidity highs. Yeah. 54, 45, 70. All right, so this is a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Pretty nice. Uh-huh. So let's send this to the VIPs, right? With the correct levels. So this is the SPX 500. Stop loss. TP and rest. Oopsie. That's a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. The one to be exact, 1 to 2.2.
Order filled.
Order field on what? Oh, I'm short? I'm short MQ. Well, I guess I'm gonna exit them all. Hold on. MQ.
Order filled.
I don't know what happened there. I think that I didn't delete. Well, that was fun. I didn't delete the all the orders that I had on the Nasdaq, so I got triggered short. Let's have a look at the Nasdaq. What the hell happened there? Oh yeah, I had my targets there, so I didn't delete my targets, so I got triggered short on the Nasdaq. Well, I recovered a little bit on a mistake. So that's me. So that's a 2.2 R. All right, SPX 500. I am 16.2 contracts. So yeah, that's what happened. All right, let's wait on this possible S&P 500 long. Should we get a pullback? Now, the reason that I don't place my targets on Trade of 8, right, on this black count is that because I'm using a trade copier to copy all my trades on all of 8 evaluation accounts. When I use a copy trader, TradeOvate doesn't allow bracket orders. Bracket orders are this, orders that already have a stop loss and target fixed. So I have to place them manually. So if I place my targets manually here and price continues to the upside, I am going to get triggered short, right? Because it won't read as a bracket, as a TP. It read as a single order. That's why I got triggered short on the Nasdaq. So waiting for that particular setup. There we go. So this is a clear market structure shift in the S&P 500. Now let's look at higher time frames levels. Now if we go to the 5-minute chart, we got a liquidation here of these almost equal lows, right? So that's a cool thing that we had. But I'm gonna focus on this liquidity sweep right here. So we got the last sweep of the lows there, market structure shift. So let's see if we can get actually filled. Remember that we want to get filled long below equilibrium, and we want to get filled short above equilibrium. So that's why I have this particular line. I'm going to invite everybody. Let's see. I think that's all right. I think that's cool. Boom, boom. I don't know. Okay, so let's wait for this. I like this particular setup. We do have now. The thing is this: we have, we have this particular point of interest, right? Here it is. That's my point of interest. All the way down here. Boom. But here, if you notice, we have an OB also. So, um, but I'm okay with getting filled here. This is where I want to get filled long.
God damn it, Zach. You make this shit look so easy sometimes.
Because he's gonna be tapped in a second.
I'm out. I call we out. Look at that, bro. Not even 90 seconds. Like, if you just got up to take a leak, you just missed Zach's train. Dude, God.
All right, so we are waiting for this fill on the S&P 500. I should have remember I should have left that Nasdaq short run, right? But that's okay. So I'm up for everybody just joining, which is not many people. We took a short in gold with the VIPs. We took profit around this level. 23.35.5, and as you can see, gold just continued to the upside. I'm not trading gold anymore today, focusing on this possible fill long on the S&P 500. About to get filled. Heads up on that. Going here. I don't know if we're gonna get filled long with CFDs. I don't know if we're gonna get filled long with CFDs. That's okay. That is fine. I'm a few ticks away from getting filled. Here's my order on the DOM. Hey, I should have left that Nasdaq shorts, right? Run. I would have made a ton, but you know what? That was not a planned trade, so I had to close that. There you go. Check out the Nasdaq. Get into that IFVG. Here we had an imbalance right at equilibrium, but that's a way. That's not an optimal entry for me on the S&P 500. Few ticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ticks away from getting filled short, long here on the S&P 500. Wow, if I don't get filled long here, I'm gonna be pissed on CFDs. See, this is the thing about fucking CFDs.
Order filled.
Right, I'm long S&P 500, guys. Just on one account. Well, 8 accounts. Wow. All right, trigger long S&P 500. On all accounts now. Trigger long SPX 500. There you go. Nice move to the upside on the S&P 500. Boom. On all accounts, moving stop losses to break even very soon, guys. Very nice trade. Very nice trade on the S&P 500. Very nice trade on the S&P 500. We are rocking this. All right, I'm not gonna let it go to my stop loss, so I'm moving stop losses to break even now. And trade running very nice profit. All right, I'm at break even here on CFDs. Let's move to break even on all counts. Yeah, I'm okay. And break even here too. All right, right at my point of interest to the tick, guys. There you go. I am, yeah, I'm risk-free on this trade pretty quickly. I'm up for the day, so I don't want to give back my profits. This is how you would have gotten filled SPX 500 on CFDs. These are futures contracts, so we have everything covered here. Now to the tick field here, I dig it. Can you dig it? I would have gotten filled long on the Nasdaq too. Remember that my point of interest on the Nasdaq was here. This was my point of interest on the Nasdaq. So I would have gotten filled right there. Blams. Nice move to the upside, baby. Nice. Nice. That's nice. So $300 that would take me to the 1K day on a futures, but no, I'm not taking my piece just yet. Not taking my piece just yet. That was nice entry long. If I get stop tight at break even, I get stop tight at break even. That's okay by me, right? You should do you. If you want to take profits now, take profits now. I'm gonna close this for another 1 hour with the VIPs, right? This is for the VIPs and VIPs only. There you go. Boom. Closing. Boom. There you go. So 2 wins today. I am closing here too.
Order filled.
Boom. And closing here too. There you go. Money made today, guys. Money made today. Most definitely. Up about 1.3K, so that's good. I'm done for the day. I won't be trading anymore today. Pretty nice feel on the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. Now, on this 159 K account, we made a grand total of $458. And on this account, we made more. We made 1.3K or so. Now, that's a great day. That's a great trading day for me. That's a great trading day for the VIPs. All right, so I'm gonna stick here for a while. Any questions that you have, we're good. I'm fine. That was a nice point of interest on both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq after that liquidation, right? Now, looking back towards my first loss on the Nasdaq today, yes, I was a little bit too early with my longs here on this particular point of interest without a market structure shift in place. Now, looking back towards everything that I did today on the other side, yeah, I should always wait for those market structure shifts in order to get long. Now, the reason that I took my trade off is because I already made money with gold shorts, and that covered everything else, so that's good. All right, thank you for joining me, guys. I will see you tomorrow for another day trading with the team.